Coinbase API keys can fail due to three main reasons: incorrect permissions, IP whitelisting restrictions, or key expiration. This video will guide you through diagnosing and fixing each issue, ensuring your trading bots, portfolio trackers, and integrations function correctly. As of December 2025, Coinbase has enhanced API security, so let's get your keys working. API keys need specific permissions, called scopes, to perform different actions like viewing balances or executing trades. If you encounter a permission-denied error, it means your key lacks the necessary scope for that operation. To fix this, start by logging into Coinbase. Then navigate to your API settings page. Edit your existing key and select the required permissions, such as trade for buying and selling. Remember the principle of least privilege. Only grant the permissions your application actually needs to minimize security risks. Coinbase allows you to restrict API access to specific IP addresses for enhanced security. If you're getting blocked, ensure your current IP address is whitelisted in your API settings. For dynamic IPs, common with home networks, consider using a VPN with a static IP or enabling Coinbase's dynamic IP mode for geolocation verification. You can find your current IP using services like whatismyipaddress.com. Coinbase API keys now expire after 180 days by default to reduce long-term security exposure. When a key expires, you'll see an error message like this indicating the key is no longer valid. To check if your key is expired, go to the API Keys section in your Coinbase dashboard and review the creation date. If your key has expired, you'll need to create a new one in the dashboard, ensuring it has the same permissions as before. For automated systems, implement key rotation scripts to automatically replace keys before they expire, avoiding downtime. Start by verifying your API key in Coinbase's developer console. Log into your Coinbase account and navigate to the API settings section to ensure your key is active and hasn't expired. Next, test your API key with a simple GET request to the account's endpoint. You can use tools like curl or Postman. This verifies that your key has basic access and helps identify connectivity issues. Review your error logs for HTTP status codes. A 401 unauthorized error means your credentials are invalid, while a 403 forbidden error indicates permission problems. These codes provide valuable clues about what needs to be fixed. Finally, pay close attention to error messages. They provide specific details about what's wrong and often guide you directly to the fix, whether it's an expired key, permission issue, or something else. Coinbase is increasingly adopting OAuth 2.0 for third-party apps, moving away from static API keys to enhanced security. OAuth 2.0 provides a more secure authorization flow compared to static keys, reducing risks like key compromise. AI-driven anomaly detection tools flag unusual API activity, helping prevent security breaches. These systems analyze data sources like logs and KPIs to detect anomalies in real time. Stay updated with these advancements to maintain the highest security standards. Let's examine a real-world case study. A high-frequency trader lost $50,000 in trades during a market volatility spike because their API key had expired without notice. The solution was implementing automated key rotation, which reduced their system downtime by 90%. This highlights the critical importance of proactive key management. Another common issue occurred when a developer running applications on a cloud server encountered API blocks after their IP address changed. The fix involved switching to a static IP address through AWS Elastic IP and enabling Coinbase's dynamic IP mode, which resolved the problem quickly. This case study emphasizes the need for proper IP configuration in cloud environments. These real-world case studies clearly demonstrate why proactive monitoring and proper configuration are essential to preventing costly API key issues and maintaining secure, reliable access to Coinbase services. Experts from the crypto space emphasize that API keys represent a significant weak point in cryptocurrency infrastructure. David Schwartz, CTO of Ripple, states that API keys are the weakest link, and developers must prioritize key rotation. Similarly, a former Binance security expert advises treating API keys like passwords. Never store them in code. Statistics show that 35% of API failures stem from expired keys, while breach incidents dropped 45% in 2025. due to enhanced permissions. Looking ahead, future trends include automated, secure APIs with blockchain-based verification to reduce manual fixes. Coinbase is piloting OAuth 0 integration for third-party apps, moving away from static keys to minimize phishing risks. AI-driven anomaly detection, rolled out in 2025, has flagged unusual API activity, contributing to a 25% drop in unauthorized access attempts. To stay current, always refer to Coinbase's official documentation as policies continue to evolve.